good, YouTube? And those of you watching on the foxhole.com, it's your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody out there is having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We're about to talk about some sneaker heat as you see in front of me. Not necessarily this one or this one, but we're talking about this one. Oh man, shaking that camera, man. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're about to talk about what's in the box. Hopefully you guys having a great day. Smash the like button, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you are new. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be updated and notified when I upload a video, which is daily, but very sporadically different times of the day. So go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be updated and alert when I post a video. Also, you want to do that because I'm about to start doing these giveaways again, man. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram for more details, as well as tuning into these videos, you dig? So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about these Kyries, you dig? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody out there is having a great day wherever you are in the universe. We're talking about it, man, as you see in front of me, as you see the title. We're talking about these Kyrie 4 41 for the ages. Now, I have done an in-store review with these, but you guys know I love the Kyries. I love the silhouette. I love the Kyrie 4s. I know you guys like that personal review of the shoe. Makes you get a chance to think if you want to buy them or not. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at these bad boys right here. We ain't even going to go ahead with the box. I'm not even going to play with y'all. We're going to go straight into it, man. The Kyrie 4 41 for the ages. This shoe right here is very dope. Red, black, and white colorway. Kind of simple almost, but not really. They got light, nice, a lot. They got a lot of hints and details to the shoe that we're going to check out. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. We got the Marvel Mentalities in the building. We got the Gear the Monkeys in the building. And we got the 41 for the ages. And if you look to the right, or my right, your left, you'll see some crazy Jordans over there. Them homage to homes. Did you guys get any of these pairs? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section, each and every one. Rate them from a 1 to 10 scale. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But these right here, these bad boys right here, not bad at all. Black, white with a little bit of gray. Got the white bottom. You can't go wrong with this shoe, man. Kyrie 4 is very comfortable. Got that technology on the bottom so you guys can definitely break them ankles, get them step backs, them in and outs, and them Euro steps. The traction on this is very good. If you guys ever seen a performance on these shoes, you guys should check that out. Also, I can't do that yet because if you guys don't know, I tore my right Achilles tendon back in December. And it's a long road back, and I can't play ball at least until this year, December. So you won't be seeing any performance reviews from me just yet. But go ahead and check these out, man. Let me know what you guys think. They got the all-black upper, pretty much, with the gray Nike check that is stitched in. I love when they put the stitched in Nike checks. I think that's just a great detail they add to the shoe, as opposed to like these ones, they have the gold little sticker, which is still dope, but I just like the stitched in. It just gives it more of a detailed, authentic, expensive look, if you want to say. Then you got the fly knit up the top. Then you got the midsole, which is black, but you got this gray and this orange or this red that comes up from the bottom like it spills over. I think that's what a lot of people like about the Kyries. It has like that shark bite look on the side of it, like the Bapes and everything. You see that on all the Kyries. I think it's really dope. Not too many things crazy about the shoe, but the shoe is crazy as in itself. The silhouette, the coloration, you got the suede on the back with that Nike check. And of course, you're going to get that up close and personal detailed look at these shoes with that light, so you don't even have to worry about what you don't see now. You will see it when it's up close and personal. Then they have this like brick type of silhouette or situation on the back. I don't know what that really goes for. He doesn't shoot too many bricks. Kyrie can shoot the ball. I don't know. It's a detail to it that they added. And then the back part of this right here, it's almost like it's a whole different type of material. I'm not sure the name of this material, so don't get me wrong. I'm not sure, but it's like a knit or something like that. But it has like a design almost like on a couch, one of them old ancient couches or something like that, man. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, the Kyrie logo on the tongue here. on the tongue here, and then you got the Kyrie logo with that crazy stuff that's right here. Once again, up close and personal look will happen in the next scene. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about these Kyrie 4B1 for the ages is what they're called. I get the names mixed up because there's so many of them. You got the Year of the Monkeys, you got the Mama Mentalis, you got the March Madnesses, you got the Obsidious, you got the Venuses, you got these 41 for the ages. There's just so many things going on with these Kyrie 4s. Very dope shoe. What do you guys think about the Kyrie 5s dropping? You guys know about that? Kyrie 5 dropping pretty soon. I think they come this year and the price point will jump up maybe $5 to $10. But that's neither here nor there. We talking about these right here. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. If this is a winner or a chicken dinner, did you guys try to cop these? If you guys want to, you guys can. They are sitting in stores. It's not something that's flying off the shelf that you gotta have. But it's definitely something dope to add to your repertoire and to your arsenal. Once again, if you guys are new to the channel, forgive me. I live on the main street, so you might hear cars going by every now and then. But that doesn't stop the grind, you dig? It's your boy Bossco. Without further ado, smash that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Yes, I am talking a lot, but I'm excited. Wow, I can't even talk. I am excited that I'm here with you guys and you guys are here with me. We're 2,000 strong, going for 5,000 strong. So subscribe to the channel if you are new. Smash the like button. And once again, I'm starting the giveaways again. For instance, this next one will be a Foot Locker gift card. You guys got to smash the like button and get this video to 100 likes. And then the next video, I will select the winner from the comment section. You dig? Make sure you subscribe to me. Follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. All the information is in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get to the highlights of these Kyrie 4 41 for the ages. You dig? What? Fire, bro. Fire. What can you say about these shoes right here besides fire?